Well, happy Thursday. I hope the week's treating you good. Today is January 25th of 2024, and just wanted to shoot this quick video and give you an update of what's going on in our office, ask you what's going on in your world. So it's weird, the month's almost gone. Looking back on 2023, there's a lot of things that I wanted to accomplish that I did not accomplish all the way, and it kind of pisses me off. So wanted to just talk about what we're working on in our office and see where you are in your life and maybe get you to think about what you want to do. So we're working on infinite banking. That's our primary goal, is get as much money into our own private bank account as we can, and then take that same money, move it back out into the world, and earn money on it in two different places. We're working on building income streams. I didn't count them all. I was thinking about it earlier today, though, and just in my head, I have somewhere between, we have 25 to 30 income streams that bring in money every month. And that's one of the important things to have, is residual income. So where are you? You could be in many different places. You could maybe be working at a job with a W-2 and just getting paid hourly. In that case, you probably only have one income stream. If that's the case, I highly recommend you look at what you're doing and figure out some ways to create other income streams. One of the great ways to do that is affiliate marketing, and that's something we're working on. We have several different affiliate programs that we work with, and there's ways to set up an affiliate income without spending any money, pretty much, and just get started. There's a neat program that we just found out about last week, where companies and employees can put some extra money in their pocket every month and have some extra health insurance benefits. So that's one of the programs that we're just starting to work with now. We have some other programs that involve marketing. We have some that involve, selling e-commerce products, printed T-shirts and sweatshirts, stuff like that. We're working on the real estate side of things. So we have a lot going on here in the office, and I'm inviting you to take an assessment of what you currently have going on. Maybe you have some money, maybe you own a business and you have a nice pile of money stacked up and you don't know what to do with it. Well, the first step I'd recommend there is get into the infinite banking, learn how to become your own bank. So I just wanted to touch base, let you know the year is almost 12th over, because the month is about over, and look at where you are now. And just think about this: if you don't do something different, you're not ever going to get anything different. So feel free to leave me a comment. Join our Facebook group. If you're watching this in the group, then you're already here. But if you're watching it on my personal profile or maybe on our YouTube channel, you can join the group. I'll stick a link here in the comments. And you can also find a link there on my Facebook bio. You can find a link if you click on my cover photo, and right next to the photo on the right, there's a link to the group. It's Cashflow Success Community. So just wanted to do this quick update, let you know that there are a lot of ways to increase your position in life and raise it an elevation or two. So get back with me. Looking forward to it. We'll be talking to you on the next video. Thanks.